Okay, so this is the first part of 221B Baker Street, and in order to paint each individual tile, I'm trying a method of printing on the Cricut, or I should say cutting on the Cricut, a mask that goes over the raised tiles, which are these small ones here, and fit into the recess here. So that should allow me to paint over the top. However, failing that, it'll probably have to be some kind of rubber roller to roll over the top to paint those tiles black, because I'm not printing multicolor at the minute. When I get my multicolor system, then I'll be able to 3D print those tiles black. This section black, and the rest would remain white, which would have a coat. So I'm looking forward to the rest of it, and I'll keep you updated how it's going.